So which Linux distribution is the best in your opinion? Think of your answer and we'll come back to it at the end of this video. Before we go out there to find the best Linux distribution, we need to understand that Linux in itself is not an operating system. It is just a kernel that acts as a bridge between the computing hardware and the applications that run on top of it. The easiest way to understand how operating systems work is to look at them as a stack of applications, where hardware in itself cannot do anything. It needs the kernel to interpret the commands sent by the shell and the user applications. Shell, or the environment, acts as a host to all those applications we use on a daily basis. For example, XFCE, KDE, GNOME are just examples of shells, including command line interface. Another important factor to understand is that how the Linux ecosystem works. For example, Linux kernel is maintained by the Linux Foundation, and all those different user environments and applications are maintained by their respective organizations or project teams. Once it is understood what Linux is and how things work in its ecosystem, we also need to emphasize what the developers of so-called best distributions do. Without going into too much technical details, distro developers decide the kernel version, environment, and applications that they would like to ship, including initial configs and theming. Another important task they do is the maintenance of packages in the distribution's repositories. If I'm going to evaluate a distribution as the best or the worst, I would look at a few factors, such as the total number of packages available in the distribution, their upgrade frequency, reliability and security of repos, documentation, efficiency of package manager, and the welcoming attitude of the community. Finally, the best distribution would be the one that works exactly as intended and has a great inclusive community that is open to everyone, regardless of their experience and expertise. Now you can go and compare your best distribution that you thought in the beginning of this video and how it compares to the criteria I have mentioned. As always, thanks for watching.